In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get rose gold text. Hey there, I'm Kimberly of KimberlyMichelleLife.com, and I help fashion YouTubers and bloggers elevate their personal branding. On this channel, I provide beginner graphic design tips and iMovie editing tips, so if this sounds like something that you're interested in, please stick around and subscribe to the channel. So metallic text is extremely popular these days, and rose gold is my absolute favorite, so we're doing rose gold today. The easiest way to get this is in Photoshop, but if you don't have Photoshop like most people, there is an easy way to get it in picmonkey. So let's head over to picmonkey now and I will show you how. I'm always rhyming. So once you are in picmonkey, go ahead and start a new design. And we're going to click on this text icon over to the left, and then you can click on add text. All right, and I'm just going to change that font to something a little prettier. Let's see. Okay, I think I like that font, and I'm just going to make this a little bit larger. So I'm going to grab the corners and pull it out and just make it a little larger, and let's go ahead and center it as well. Okay, so once you have your text on the screen in black, you want to go over here to graphics, click on graphics, and we're going to select add your own. So for this, you're going to need a metallic swatch of your choice. Now you can get these swatches from creativemarket.com. There's a lot of places you can get them, but on ladybossstudio.com there is a free download, and she offers the metallic swatches for you free of charge, and she has gold, rose gold, silver, and copper swatches. So you can head over to ladybossstudio.com and download those swatches for free. So you're going to click on add your own, and I'm going to go to my computer and search for my rose gold swatch. Okay, just grab it right there. Now this is really simple. So once you have your rose gold swatch in picmonkey, make sure it's covering all of your font, and then you want to go over here under blend modes, click the drop down and select add, and then you have your rose gold text. Ta-da! Now you can save this, go up to export, and you can just name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it rose gold text, and you can save it as a JPEG or PNG. Let's go ahead and save it as a JPEG since that is the smallest, and we're going to turn it into a PNG in just a second, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's export it to our computer. I'll just save it to downloads. Okay, so here is our saved rose gold texture. Now, as you can see, it has a white background, and more than likely you're going to want to use this somewhere where it has a transparent background. For whatever reason, when you're using these layers in picmonkey, you cannot make the background transparent, or at least I haven't figured out how. So you have to save it as a JPEG and then make the transparent background in another application if that's what you want. And more than likely you are going to want this to be a transparent background. So to make it transparent, we can go over to lunapic.com and we can turn our JPEG image with the white background into a image that is transparent. So once you're on lunapic.com, you want to go to edit and then all the way down to transparent background. You're going to choose file and upload the rose gold text photo that we just downloaded from picmonkey. Okay, once your image is in Lunapic, you just want to click anywhere on the white part and it should make it transparent for you. All right. And there we go. So now, as you can see with the checkered background, it is transparent. Now we need to save this image. So go to the bottom, click save, and it automatically just downloads it for you. So let's go back to our documents and find that PNG, and you'll know the difference because this one is going to be saved as a PNG now. Your first one was saved as a JPEG. So now we open this up, and because it has that gray background, that means there is no background. So you see the first one that we saved directly from PicMonkey has a white background, but now this one is transparent. So you can put this in your videos when you're editing or somewhere on your website, make a logo or whatever you want to do. If you want to make your YouTube banner, wherever you need rose gold text, the possibilities are endless. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions on this. All right, so now if you want to, you can go ahead and add some metallic text to your YouTube videos. Check out this video here where I show you how to add your own text to iMovie. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And don't forget to click that subscribe button on the way out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.